Ipheleke kusavela idlanzana ezikhungweni zokubhalisela ukuvota impela sonto yokugcina yokubhalisela ukuvota eOrlando West uma ke kuqhathaniswa nalokho bekulindelekile njengoba ke kube iqeqebana nje kuphela elibhalisile okanye ke livuselele imininingwane yalo njengoba kubhekwe okhethweni lohulumeni basekhaya ngoLwezi nonyaka. Abasebenzi ke benhlangano ezimele ezokhetho iIEC baqhubekile nokusiza labo abafikile kanti ke kukholakala ukuthi abaningi abafanelekile ukuvota babhalise ngohlelo lwe-inthanethi. Kanti ke njengamanje amabombo asebheke kubantu ababhalisile ukuyobakhuthaza ukuthi ke bevote okhethweni lomasipala ngasekupheleni kwalonyaka.
Njengoba ikhomishana engamele ukhetho kwela kuleli iEC ubuqhubeka umkhankaso wempela sonto yokugcina ukugqugquzela ukuqinisekiswa kwemininingwane yabavoti kanjalo nokubhalisa kwizikhungo zokuvota ngaphambi kokhetho lwasekhaya oluzobanjwa mhla zizine ngenyanga kaLwezi wakulonyaka belingagculisi inani labantu abaphumile kwezinye izikhungo okuyi-Orlando West High. Ukhansela wakule wadi ukhuthaza abahlali ukuba baqinisekise izikhungo zabo zokuvota njengoba ke kukhona ushintsho kwezinye.
If you look at the turnout, if you look at the attitude as well, it is not one of those that one will want to see. There's a low turnout. I don't know if maybe people are not interested, but we want to encourage the interest of people. Oguti ikupuge, we are here today. It's the 1st of August until the 2nd of August. Let young people take advantage of this opportunity. It's a final leg and we want to see people coming in numbers so that nanomasi silwela into the service delivery. We know that we are registered voters. We know that we are active participants in our democracy.
Kusenjalo ukhansela uveza ukuthi abantu abaningi kungenzeka ukuthi baqoka ukusebenzisa ukubhalisa online.
Youth ayisenakho ukuthakasela ukuphuma to register, ukuthakasela ukuphuma to vote. But however, also let us take advantage of saying people, they've been using a lot of online registration. So probably you will find the online registration that has been pushed within the last few months. It might be also people, if they think they've registered online, there's no need for them to come to the station.
Abangakwazanga ukusebenzisa lelithuba ukuziyela kwizikhungo zokubhalisa kulempela sonto edlule bangakwazi ukusebenzisa izinsiza za online ngokungena kwiwebsite yakwa-IEC. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngise Orlando West.